Hello, people. So, our today's topic is quite an interesting topic. It's about cryptocurrency. So, to know more about this, let's move forward. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel of News Canvas. We all have heard a lot about cryptocurrency. But what exactly is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. A defining feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. Understanding cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrencies are systems that allow for secure payments online, which are denominated in terms of virtual tokens, which are represented by ledger entries internal to the system. Crypto is a word which refers to the various encryption algorithms and cryptographic techniques that safeguard these entries, such as elliptical curve, encryption, public private key pairs, and hashing functions. So, this was all about cryptocurrencies. Now, there are various types of cryptocurrencies. The first blockchain based cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which still remains the most popular and most valuable. Today, there are thousands of alternate cryptocurrencies with various functions and specifications. Some of these are clones or forks of Bitcoin, while others are new currencies that were built from scratch. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 by an individual or a group known by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. As of March 2021, there were over 18.6 million bitcoins in circulation with a total market cap of around $927 billion. So here's an interesting fact. Some of the cryptography used in cryptocurrency today was originally developed for military applications. At one point, the government wanted to put controls on cryptography similar to legal restrictions on weapons. But the right for civilians to use cryptography was secured on grounds of freedom of speech. So, what are the major advantages of cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies hold the promise of making it easier to transfer funds directly between two parties without the need for a trusted third party like a bank or a credit card company. These transfers are instead secured by the use of public keys and private keys and different forms of incentive systems like proof of work or proof of stake. Fund transfers are completed with minimal processing fees, allowing users to avoid the steep fees charged by banks and financial institutions for wire transfers. So, as every coin has two sides, there are some disadvantages of cryptocurrency. The semi anonymous nature of cryptocurrency transactions makes them well suited for a host of illegal activities. Illegal activities like money laundering and tax evasion. However, cryptocurrency advocates often highly value their protection for whistleblowers or activists living under repressive governments. Some cryptocurrencies are more private than others. So, this was a brief description on cryptocurrency. If you liked the video, please do give a thumbs up. Do not forget to give your feedbacks in the comment section. Follow the pages of News Canvas on Instagram and Facebook. And do install the app of News Canvas. Till then, bye bye.